So how do you save multiple files from the Google Drive to iPhone? Let's explain that. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, when you have your Google Drive ready as usual, you can just, of course, select one image, for example, or whatever, and tap on the three dots to download it. But you can also hold down on it, it will get selected, and you can select multiple of the things, then tap on the three dots for all of the items, and basically download it or make available offline whatever you need to do, right? So you would have that option if you wanted to. There's no really, that's not like an option that would not work, right? It's possible to get it done. However, you can also explore the more possibilities which are available within the Files app of iPhone. So not many people actually know about it, but you can integrate Google Drive into the Files app, right? And once you do this, of course, by tapping on the three dots, going to Edit and enabling the Google Drive in here, well, you can get access to your Drive through the Files app, as I said. And then you have all of the features which you are probably used to, like selecting multiple files, moving them in between your storage sections, like on my iPhone, iCloud, and more, right? So it might actually be even more practical if you do it this way. So make sure to try it out. Let me know if it works out well for you. Most definitely share your thoughts below. And I would really appreciate if you subscribe because I have so many tutorials coming up and I just don't want you to miss them. So stay tuned for more and I'll see you then in the future videos.